Hi everyone! Today we are going to be making a wintry Christmas snow scene, all inspired by Vincent van Gogh. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to grab some oil pastels. I've grabbed like a golden yellow, I've grabbed like a yellow, and an orange just in case. And what I'm going to do is start making some stars. But actually, before I do that, that's coming. The first thing I want to do is I want to come over here and grab some white. You guys are going to get blue, purple, and dark blue to make your landscape. But first we need to determine where the snow is going to go. So of course we need white, and it's going to look really good on a pink piece of paper. So down here at the bottom, we're going to make a line that goes all the way across and just kind of scuffle in the snow. Grab a little bit of more white if you need it and scuffle it in. And then you paint the bottom with white all the way across. You can scuffle it in just like this. Bring it down. And if you want, only if your brush is very, very dry and it doesn't have a lot of paint in it, you can go in and grab, I think I'm going to grab just some very little light blue to make it look like there's a shadow in the snow. So you got to move quickly. That may be a little bit too much blue. So now I'm going to go grab some white and paint over top of it and blend it together. And blend, blend, blend. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. So just adding a little bit of blue in your white like this will make it look like it's got a little bit of a shadow. Little bit more interesting snow. Not just plain white, it's just got a little bit of color. We're painting easy. Level 3, level 4 painting, taking your time, spreading it out. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit more flavor to it. That looks really good. And your paper may bow a little bit. That's a fancy word for if the paper starts curling. That's okay. You just have to push your brush down on the paper to tell it to just sit still. Stop curving, and it'll be fine. And look at that, all nice and blended. Just watching my brush going back and forth and back and forth, and blending it really smooth. Now, that's how I want to put on the snow. If you have a different way of putting on the snow, you do it. That's you. It's really, really bright right now because of the light. Let me see if I can turn it down just a little bit. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, so I'm going to set my brush in the water. It's going to turn to milk when you do that. I'll put my brush down, and then I'm going to grab some oil pastels, and I'm going to add some stars. Now, I'm going to make just little bitty dots, just like that. And I think I'm going to take like a golden yellow and maybe add a star like this. Just a little star way off in the distance. Just a little scratching it in, not worrying about the way it looks. I'm going to even have one star that might go off the page. And then I think I'm going to make one that's really big. And oh, wait, actually, you know what? I think what I might do, I'm going to add a moon. Oh my goodness, yes, I have to add a moon. So we make like a C, and then we just fatten it up a little bit here on the inside. Give him a little bit of a belly. See? Yeah, we just make a C and then make them fat in the middle. Okay, so there's my moon. Now comes the fun part. We've got the snow, we've got the sky with our stars, but just like Vincent van Gogh, he loved to make a lot of brush marks, and he loved piling them on top of each other. So you see down here how I blended the color really, really smooth? Well, in the sky, you're going to do the exact opposite. And we're going to make all these little bitty dash lines. And we're going to make these dash lines look like they're going on a trip. Okay?